This video is going to explain very briefly how you can find your septic tank lids. Now, a basic septic tank system like this one here, where it works off of gravity, is going to have two main lids. That lid right there is the inlet, and the one that's further away that I showed first is the outlet. But you see the cleanout right there, and just because I kind of know this area pretty well, I know that the septic tank is relatively close to that cleanout. So what I do is I take my probe here and I just start poking the ground in this general area until I start hitting a tank lid. You can tell when you're hitting it because you'll go a few inches down with your probe and you'll just feel a hard surface. Now, if you keep probing around it, you will find where the probe goes down really deep like that, pretty much letting you know there's no tank there. But then if you put the probe in this spot, you'll see that it starts hitting something right away. So if you go around the area with your probe and marking it, you'll find out where the edges of the tank are, and you can kind of draw these lines on the ground like I did. Once you have the rectangular lines drew out on the ground showing where the tank is, the lids are always going to be kind of centered off the two ends the way you see them here in the video. So basically I'll just start digging up kind of in those general areas on both ends until I find the handle. Usually the handle is just kind of a piece of rebar that's just bent in a U shape. You can see it in the middle there. Once you find that, or one of the edges of the lid, it helps you find the rest of the lid, and you can just clean it up until the whole lid is exposed, like you see in the video. But I've been doing this for a while, and a lot of times customers will come out after I've done this, and they'll be really impressed pretty much that I was able to find the lid so easily. But the thing is that I've just done this so many times and I know the area so well that once I get in there and I start probing, I'm usually able to find it pretty easily. But if you're trying to find your septic lids and you know where your septic tank is, this video should help you out. Thanks.